Artificial intelligence is advancing faster than ever, shaping industries, redefining creativity, and even challenging our very perception of ethics and human identity. Every week, a new AI breakthrough dominates headlines, some celebrated as revolutionary, others sparking outrage and fear. From AI-generated deepfakes influencing elections to powerful chatbots that mimic human emotions a little too well, the debate over AI's role in society is louder than ever. Some call AI the greatest innovation of our lifetime, a tool that will solve humanity's toughest problems. Others see it as a ticking time bomb, capable of misinformation, job displacement, and even existential threats. Today, we're diving deep into the most controversial AI advancements, breakthroughs that are raising eyebrows, triggering lawsuits, and forcing governments to reconsider the rules of technology. AI-generated deepfakes and the war on truth. Deepfake technology has reached an unsettling level of realism. AI-powered tools can now generate ultra-realistic videos of people saying and doing things they never did. At first, this was seen as a fascinating experiment in machine learning. But as the technology improved, so did its potential for harm. Political deepfakes are a growing concern, especially as elections approach. Imagine a viral video of a world leader declaring war or endorsing a harmful policy only for it to be entirely fake. Even if later debunked, the damage is often already done. Studies show that fake news spreads faster than real news, and deepfakes add a dangerous visual element to misinformation campaigns. The entertainment industry is also facing a deepfake crisis. Some actors have found themselves digitally recreated without permission. In the US and Europe, AI-driven surveillance tools are expanding in airports, shopping malls, and public spaces. Many companies use AI to analyze customer behavior, track eye movements in stores, and even predict what people might buy next based on their micro-expressions. The ethical dilemma is clear: where do we draw the line between security and invasion of privacy? Are we heading toward a world where AI knows more about us than we do about ourselves, AI replacing creative jobs and the backlash from artists? AI-generated content is exploding across all creative fields, from AI-written books and AI-composed music to fully AI-generated movies. The creative industry is at a crossroads. While some see this as an opportunity to enhance creativity, many artists, writers, and musicians feel threatened by AI's ability to mass-produce content. Illustrators have seen their work scraped by AI models without consent, leading to lawsuits against companies like Stability AI and OpenAI. Some platforms have even banned AI-generated art altogether, arguing that it undermines human creativity. Writers are also feeling the heat. AI can now write articles, novels, and scripts that are nearly indistinguishable from human-written content. Many freelance writers are losing jobs to AI-generated copy, while publishers face ethical dilemmas over whether to credit AI as an author. And then there's the music industry. AI can now compose symphonies, write lyrics, and even mimic famous singers' voices. The recent controversy over AI-generated songs that sound like real artists, including an AI track that mimicked Drake and The Weeknd, sparked industry-wide debates. Should AI be allowed to imitate real musicians? Should AI-generated songs receive royalties? These are questions that have no clear answers yet. Autonomous weapons and the future of AI warfare. One of the most controversial applications of AI is in warfare. Military forces around the world are developing AI-powered autonomous weapons, drones, and decision-making systems capable of selecting and eliminating targets without human intervention. The crossroads of innovation and ethics. AI is not inherently good or evil, it is a tool shaped by human intentions. The real controversy isn't just about AI's capabilities, but about how we choose to use it. Regulating AI is tricky. If we impose too many restrictions, we risk stifling innovation. But if we allow AI to evolve unchecked, we risk serious ethical and societal consequences. Governments, corporations, and individuals all have a role to play in shaping AI's future. The decisions we make today on deepfakes, privacy, job automation, warfare, relationships, and even AI consciousness will define the world we live in tomorrow. One thing is certain: AI is here to stay. The question is, how will we navigate its power responsibly? Will AI become a force for progress, or will it spiral out of control? The answer depends on us.